Guys, I'm back on the job site today. We're going to show you all around all the progress that's happened, and I'm going to take you through quickly because I don't know if you can tell with my shirt and my hair, but it's raining and we're in between rainstorms. You can see that this walkway has been complete, that I talked about going to this gate that's behind me, the stucco wall. There's still a few things that have to be added, of course, but the biggest thing that's happened here as the project is coming to a close is that we got a huge rainstorm. It was like 5 inches of rain within a very short period of time. And while that's kind of a bad thing when it comes to your project site, it also is a good thing because it has the true test of whether or not everything here is going to drain. And if it doesn't drain, which this one did not perfectly drain, then we have a chance to fix it before everybody's off the job site. So that's exactly what happened, and I'm going to show you what solution we came up with for that as we go back. But you guys can see that the retaining wall is completely finished now. It's really beautiful. The guys are installing lights that are going to go under here. Now I will say we're trying out a rope light, but we didn't love the way it looked as it turned this corner here. And so I think we're actually going to take it down and do an LED strip instead. There's just not enough of a lip here. So you can see that things are always kind of just ready to be changed at any time. You have to be ready to just make sub outs whenever you need to in cases like that. You can also see here that we planted white shishi camellias. I know the pink ones are very popular and most people know what those are, but this is a dwarf camellia and this is white. So shishi also comes in a white if you weren't aware of that. You can see the homeowners so excited to put their stuff out in the space. We've already got some furniture out here. Obviously it's not arranged yet, but they've already been able to enjoy their fire pit out on the new patio space. The guys are also hanging these lights that are happening back here, the string cafe lights. We just got finished arranging and hanging those. So it's going to add that really beautiful ambient lighting to the space. All right, let's walk back here and show you this drainage situation. Also, we've got the lighting that is going to go up on either one side of these windows here. These two walls are going to be up, and then we're going to put planters in front of it so that you basically have this really nice tall planter with beautiful plantings, and then the wall behind it is lit up. This is going to be a really beautiful effect when it's all done. All right, right here is basically the low point of where the patio reaches the sod, and the sod kind of drains down here, and this was the low spot. So the guys put a channel drain in here. This goes into the drainage system and it goes out and around. The other thing they did to maximum make sure that this area was not going to flood anymore is they added a sump pump. It's under the ground here. You can't see it. They buried it here. Essentially, everything goes from that channel drain in other places, comes into the sump pump, and if it fills up, it will mechanically pump it out and around the house so that there should be no sitting water out in this area. You can see that they installed a type of sump pump that is completely hidden except for this one little 4-inch round pop here. They put sod over it. They're going to cut around this so that it's slightly exposed, but in general you won't be able to see it at all, which is ideal for something so utilitarian as a sump pump. You guys, we talk about it plenty of times. Drainage and irrigation is not sexy. It is a significant amount of money and effort to make sure and ensure that your house is going to be safe from flooding and other things. It's important. It's just not the fun way to spend money, but it's necessary. So all that drainage is set in place. This place should be high and dry and ready for entertaining and definitely making sure that we're not going to get any water inside the house. So that's where we are on this project. We are really, really close to getting things done. In the next video, I'll be taking you guys through for the full before and after tour.